Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to change TD Canada account username. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website td.com, then click on the login button below the text that says Easy Web Online Banking. Next, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says My Profile and Settings. Click on My Profile and Settings. Under My Profile and Settings, you will see a section for password and login settings. Beside it is an Edit button. Click on Edit. On this page, you will see a section for username. At its right side, you will see an Edit icon. Click on the Edit icon. Next, on the field provided, delete your current username and enter the new username you wish to use. Once the new username is entered, click on Done. That's how you change your TD Canada account username. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.